Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to make a bow in Green Hell. Now, the first thing that we need to do is we need to collect our items or materials that we need. So if we take a look at the notebook right here, for us to go ahead and create a bow, what we would need is a long stick or a long bamboo stick plus rope. So the rope itself can be anything like lianas right here. And then the long stick you can use by chopping up wood right here. So if we go ahead and craft this by clicking on this, and then we can create a long stick with the rope itself, we can create a bow. If we go ahead and press R1 to craft it, as you can see, we can go ahead and create one. I do have a lot of items with me right now. Let me just go ahead and drop this a sec. And then pick it up. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.